Hi everyone, welcome back to another very important session of Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and we were doing sociology paper. This is GATE Sociology paper of IIT 2026, and we have got some amazing questions and we have solved quite a number of questions, few more to go, and we will complete this sociology paper by today, I guess. And before I start, I always say that after watching my video, I hope you are learning and you are enjoying it. And if you still find some doubts and you want to get clarified, you can always call us or WhatsApp us in this number 9062395123, and you need to we are just a call away from you people. You can also sit for our mock test series that is going on to level up your, or to understand how much you have studied, how much is yet to know, and can analyze your own paper and check your own mistakes and learn from there as well. Okay, let's jump into the question. Goffman's dramaturgical perspective focused on the front stage and backstage of social interaction. Which of the following statements sheds light on aspects of the dramaturgical perspective? Space plays a significant role in the management of performances and impressions. There is a play of multiple motives in the performance of impression management. Impression management functions in a manner that is devoid of any moral standards. Impression management shows the functioning of the self as character and performer. Try. Tell me. Right, very interesting question. First of all, what Goffman says is social life is a theater performance. Okay, so social life, theater performance. Now, what is front stage? Front stage means where we perform for others, right? Right, and what is backstage? All this term has to be very clear, all this meaning has to be very clear. We, where we relax, drop that, our guard drops down, like when we are in our social gathering, or when we are with a school, when school, college or office, wherever you are doing your work, or where you are in a social gathering, in a party, in a marriage ceremony, you are always decked up, you are performing well, you have got expression in your face, like you have to keep it very sharp, keep it polite, as per the situation needs. But the moment you come back home and you take off your shoes, put down your bag down on the sofa right over there, शूज इधर के उधर चले गए, मौजे इधर के उधर चले गए, और तुम घर के अंदर आ गए और रिलैक्स कर रहे हो, तो ये वेयर वी रिलैक्स, वी ड्रॉप द एक्ट, वी डू नॉट कैरी एक्सप्रेशन, वी डू नॉट कैरी दैट माइंडसेट, ओके यहाँ पे इतना करना है, वहाँ पे नहीं. सो दैट इज द बैक स्टेज, राइट, वेयर वी रिलैक्स and drop the act, right, drop the act. Now what is the goal is to impression management. Yes, goal is equal to, goal is simply impression management. We are always managing our impression, right? Impression management, the whole life is about impression management. Please don't say this to my mom, I have got impression in my family, please don't circulate it in a family group or family WhatsApp group, because I have got impression, all my impression has gone to waste, and it's gone to drain, has been drained out because of your act and something like that, because you have sent my photo over there. Impression management, right? We are managing impression everywhere, in office, in a workplace, in home, everywhere. Now we try to control how others see us. That's very important to understand. We try to control how others see us. We don't just live, we perform our lives. How interesting it is, right? We don't just live, we perform our lives. idea of dramaturgy is people is equal to actors, society is stage. So, we know that what is this, who are the dramaturgy concepts and the core idea. People are equal to actors. We all are actors. Only Ranveer Singh acting in Dhurandhar is not actor. Okay, we all are actors. Some are bad actors, some are excellent actors. You won't be able to catch that person who is still right next to you and being your best friend, at the same time talking something very bad or doing something very heinous about you or with you somewhere else. Okay, so society is a stage. And behavior, the way we behave, this is basically the performance. Identity is constructed through interaction. Is constructed through interaction, identity. Now, let's analyze option wise. Going to the first option, space plays a significant role in management of performances and impression. Space plays, this is correct. Why this is correct? Front stage versus backstage. Okay, this is all about the space. Okay, different spaces, that is different behavior. So, front stage and we have got backstage, which means different place, different behavior. Clear? Clear? That much is clear. Now, in classroom, what is front stage versus staff room? In classroom, while I am teaching you, I am the teacher, but whenever the moment I am in the staff room, I am gossiping, I am talking, I am chit chatting with my friends or my colleagues. Okay, so change the stage, change the performance. You change the stage, the performance changes. See, now there is a play of multiple motives in performance of impression management. This is also correct. Why? People don't act for one reason only, because let me write it over here, people don't act for one reason only. And the motive can be very simple but very basic. Motives can be to impress, to hide, to gain approval, to avoid judgment. Clear? Now, performance is strategic and layered. That has to be very clear about it always. Performance is strategic, performance is strategic and layered. Clear? Number C is saying impression management functions in a manner that is devoid of any moral standards. No, absolutely not. Government does not say morality is absent. No, never. Government never said morality is absent. Okay, he is analytical, not moralizing, but performance still follows social norms, expectation. You can be analytical. Okay, he is analytical. Okay, he is analytical. not moralizing. Social norm, expectation, these are all over there. Performance is strategic, not immoral. So that what we are saying, right? Performance strategic and layered, and but not, let me add another line, immoral. Clear? Number D is talking about another point. Impression management shows the functioning of the self as character and performer. Very important, yes, it's true. Why? This is pure Goffman. What Goffman has said, self has two aspects: character, the role being played, and the performer, the one managing the act. So what is the character talking about? Character is the role being played. The way you act in front of your boyfriend or girlfriend, you don't act the same way in front of your parents. No, you don't. All this babu shona kuchu puchu you do in front of your partner, you don't do that in front of your parents. The way you behave in front of your parents, you don't behave the same way in class, but because that time your character is of a student, your character is of a daughter or a son in house, your character is of of a boyfriend or a girlfriend in kind of relationship, or your character is a sports player in your sports academy. Okay, the character is there. So you have understood this. So performer, the one managing the act. Who is the performer? The one managing the act. Okay. Now, something we do, not something we are. Basically, the identity is, we are talking about the identity. Identity is completely different. Identity means comes from something we do and not something we are. Clear? So, are you the same person with your students, your friends, your family, that what was talking about? No. You are the same actor playing different roles on different stages, that you have got. The self is not fixed identity, it is a well managed performance. Coming to some important in-depth knowledge about parallel theory. Symbolic interaction. What is symbolic? If we talk about symbolic interaction, who gave that theory? See, first of all, meaning created through interaction. Symbolic interaction means meaning created through interaction. And number two is means I and me. Means I and me. Okay. Now it means what? Aligns with performer versus character. So Goffman turned sociology into theater, and we are all on stage at this point of time. So yes, three answers, three options are correct, and we have defined every options. We have analyzed every option. We have I have given you every pointers needed. So yes, it's done. And if you still feel something is doubtful or something is not clarified enough, please call us or WhatsApp us on this number. And by that time, I'm signing off from this video. See you on my next class. Bye bye. Take care.